Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 10 together. We have the ages of 32 elderly residents sorted into age classes, with the number of residents in each class shown as the frequency f. The first step is the cumulative frequency, which is just a running total. 5, then 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 7 is 18, plus 8 is 26, plus 4 is 30, and plus 2 is 32. Which matches our total of 32. For the upper quartile, we find its position. The upper quartile is 3/4 of the way through the data, so its position is 3n over 4. With n equal to 32, that is 3 times 32 over 4, which is 24. So we want the 24th value. Where does the 24th value fall? The cumulative frequency is 18 up to 84, and jumps to 26 by 89. So the 24th value sits inside the class 85 to 89. Now the quartile formula. Q3 equals L, the lower boundary of that class, plus the quartile position minus the cumulative frequency before the class, all over the frequency of the class times the class width C. Let's read off the values. The lower boundary of 85 to 89 is 84.5. The cumulative frequency before this class is 18. The frequency of the class is 8, and the class width is 5. Substitute everything in. Q3 equals 84.5 plus 24 minus 18 over 8 times 5. 24 minus 18 is 6. 6 over 8 times 5 is 3.75. So Q3 is 84.5 plus 3.75. Adding those gives 88.25. So the upper quartile age is 88.25 years. Well done. That's question 10 complete.